Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all. I got a serious topic. Everybody that's watching this video, please watch it to the end. Like the video, comment. It helps me out with the algorithm. But today we're talking about a client that's actually my family member that's having issues with their credit report, right? So before I give you my opinion, let's go over their credit report. I'm gonna look at this screen and I'm gonna put this so that y'all be able to see it clearly. Now, first on the list is payment history. People, out the gate, I would have to say, if you got a 68% payment history, that's absolutely horrible. It's telling me you got multiple of late payments reporting on your credit report, right? Number two is credit card usage. Now you're telling me your utilization's at 97%, basically maxed out. So if you have cards, 10,000, 15, 20, 30,000, 5,000, 2,000, whatever it may be, you might be sitting at $50,000 in credit card debt, which is horrible. Another thing we need to tackle and we need to start working on, people. Now, next on that list is something that 9 out of 10 people have is collections, people. Now, if you have 10 collections sitting on your credit report in 2026, that's a bad sign. Is the worst? No, absolutely not. I actually worked with somebody that had 22 collections within a 5-year period, which is outrageous. So that's something that you definitely need to attack. Next on the list is credit age, which this person has 2 years credit history. That's a simple fix. I have showed you on multiple videos on my channel, showing you how you can increase your credit age simple within 90 days. So this is a no-brainer. I don't know why that is sitting at 2 years, right? Next on the list is total accounts, which this person has 16 accounts reporting, which is really good. So I would have to say, even though it's showing yellow, you want to have out the gate 7 and more accounts reporting on your credit report. And the last thing on this person's credit report is hard inquiries. The only one that's actually green is the hard inquiries. So I would have to say that's excellent. People, when we have a credit report looking like this, we have to start with our mindset. We need to start doing different hustles. We need to start attacking these collections, these late payments, start working on it. The same reason why I'm giving the credit repair ebook away for free so you could do it yourself. A lot of times people are being lazy and don't want to do the process. They want to pay people. They want everybody to fix their issue. No, listen closely. It's your issue. It should be nobody having a 400, 450 credit score, 500 credit score in 2026. If you're watching videos, guys like me, that's giving you the game, giving you the information so you can win. Why are we still dealing with these issues, right? And when we look at that credit card usage, people, this is the most important thing that's really destroying people overall in the world, because they're using their credit card. They've got an outfit they want to go out and buy. They're going to throw it on the credit card. They want to go out to eat with their family. They're going to go out and use their credit card. Everything they're doing, they're using with their credit card. We got to start managing our money better, people. Get side hustles. You work 8 hours a day. You work 10 hours a day. Go out there. They got things like DoorDash. They got things like Uber Eats, Instacart. It's so many ways. Go do those side hustles and start paying back them collections, getting on the phone and start settling with them so they could report it to the credit bureau and start removing it. But again, people, it's gonna start with you. So let's go over to the website to show y'all one more time. I don't want to get no more credit reports looking like this. Again, this is actually a client / family member that I'm working with. And I say within the next 12 months, we're going to have her at excellent credit, over 720 credit score. We're going to get all those collections removed. We're going to boost up the credit age, and we're going to start working on those credit cards that's basically maxed out. So let's go over my website real quick. So we're here on my website right here, which will be in the description of this video. Go right below, hit the link, go to my website, and go download that free credit repair ebook. Let's go over here to the store section. I try to show people step by step, because if not, somebody's going to be in the comment complaining, asking, I can't find it. Where's the link? What's the website? So everything in all my videos is right below the video, right? You're going to hit the Ultimate Credit Repair ebook. You're going to download it for free, and you're going to start working on your credit report and start removing those collections. There's everything there for you. Is no excuse again why in 2026 people are having these low credit scores, not knowing how to manage their money, credit utilization to the moon is just ridiculous. And something that's very important, getting late payments. Late payments can really destroy your credit report, decrease your credit score up to 100 points when it comes to late payments. So again, we gotta start changing our mindset, how we paying our bills, how we living, how we spending. Please, it's there for you. I want to see everybody win. Get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.